The big cucumber. Pen Hen digs a hole for the cucumber seeds. Peg the chick gets the cucumber seeds. Pen Hen waters the seeds again. The cucumber is green. Oh no, the cucumber is orange. Big Pig stops by. Pumpkin pie, says Big Pig. Pumpkin, says Pen Hen. Oh, I see. Yes, pumpkin pie, says Pen Hen. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.